Fear can be uncomfortable and crippling, but eliminating it would be equivalent of taking down your home alarm system because it sometimes makes loud and irritating sounds. Being fearless doesn't mean eliminating fear. It means knowing how to leverage fear, and to do that, you need to know a few things about what you're dealing with. Here are some facts about fear that will help you understand everything a bit better. Number 1. We can smell it. According to a recent study, humans react to each other's scents and can smell fear on others. More specifically, in the type of sweat they produce. This is why crowds can erupt in mass panic and why a room full of people telling ghost stories might all get extra frightened. Number 2. Even irrational fears are very real. Rational fear is a fear of something real, something that is entirely plausible or that will happen. An example is a fear of mortality, because all humans on Earth are mortal. Irrational fears are those of something implausible, but that doesn't mean the fear doesn't come from a real place in your psyche. The fact of the matter is that the fear is fear, no matter which way you swing it. If you need help coping with a fear, never be ashamed to seek it. Number 3. Fear comes in many shades. Fear is an inherently unpleasant experience that can range from mild to paralyzing, from anticipating the results of a medical checkup to hearing news of a deadly terrorist attack. Horrifying events can leave a permanent mark on your brain circuitry, which may require professional help. However, chronic stress, the low-intensity variety of fear expressed as free-floating anxiety, constant worry, and daily insecurity, can quietly but seriously harm your physical and mental health over time. Number 4. Fear is not as automatic as you think. Fear is part instinct, part learned, part thought. Some fears are instinctive. Pain, for example, causes fear because its implications for survival. Other fears are learned. We learn to be afraid of some people, places, or situations because of the negative associations and past experiences. A near-drowning incident, for example, may cause fear each time you get close to a body of water. Other fears are taught. Cultural norms often dictate whether something should be feared or not. Think, for example, about how certain social groups are feared and persecuted because of the societally created impression that they are dangerous. Number 5. You can inherit fear. That's right. Fears can be passed down to you from your parents and grandparents, just like all other genetic traits. Number 6. Fears can disappear in sleep. Research has shown that sleep can erase learned fears when a person is exposed to an associated scent during sleep. This sounds specific, but it points to sleep offering a unique state in which select fears can be eliminated. So maybe next time you're scared, try sleeping it off. Number 7. Confronting your fears can actually help. For about 90% of folks with specific phobias, facing their fears in a live, controlled environment can help them ultimately overcome them. Sometimes you really just have to be brave. If you like the video, just subscribe to get contents like these, and also it would make me happy.